Hey, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming this makeup look that I did on New Year's Eve. I posted it on Instagram and everybody was talking about it. Everybody was like, oh girl, DM me like, oh, that's so pretty, can you do a tutorial, whatever. So I'm finally filming the video, filming the tutorial. So if you want to see how I got this makeup look, just keep on watching, girl. Okay, so I did my eyebrows off camera, and now I'm about to prime my eyes and set it for the eyeshadow, because I do eyeshadow first before I do my face makeup. I don't see how people do their face makeup and they do their eyeshadow. I just can't do it. I just can't do it. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do now. I'm about to use the LA Pro Girl concealer for my eyeshadow base. This is the color Toffee, I think. And then I'm gonna set it with my Airspun Face powder. Cosmetics. I was about to say Morphe palette because I'm always using Morphe palettes. This is the BH Cosmetics palette. It's called Modern Mattes. So that's what it looks like. So I'm taking this pink color right there, and that's gonna be like, I don't know. That's gonna be like my base. Or whatever. So I'm just put that in my crease, and I'm gonna kind of actually bring this color up close to my eyebrow. So yeah. Okay, so next I'm gonna take this Morphe palette. And this Morphe palette, whose palette is this? I don't remember what palette this is. Oh, this is the 35V palette, okay. So next I'm gonna be taking this dark blue, right there, and I'm gonna be putting it in my crease. Yeah, so I just built the color up, the blue color up a little bit, and now I'm going to blend where the two colors meet so that there are no harsh lines. Alright, so now we're gonna switch back to the BH Cosmetics palette. And we're gonna take this light blue color Let me see if we can get that light blue color. And I'm gonna put that on my lid. Okay. So I only took the color halfway on my lid, and then I'm gonna take the darker blue color next to it. I'm gonna put that on the ending corner of my lid. You get what I'm saying? Blending those colors together, blending them together. This is the way my eyes turned out, y'all. And now I'm about to do my regular face makeup routine. Today I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation in the color, I don't know, 355. CoverGirl face powder to set my foundation, y'all. Now concealer, I'm using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. Can't Stop Won't Stop. I don't know what color this is. Golden Honey. So next, I'm gonna be taking the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and this is in the color Cocoa, to contour. face with the Maybelline Fit Me. I'm using a lot of Maybelline today, but I love me some Maybelline. The Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color medium deep. So that's what I'm going to use to set my concealer, y'all. All right, now I'm gonna use contour powder. This True Complexions palette in the color, in the palette medium to dark. And I'm just gonna contour, y'all. In that palette, I'm gonna highlight. So I just took this brown lip liner that I got from the Beauty Supply store. It's just a brown lip liner. And then I'm using the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color Toulouse, I don't know. Setting spray on, the NYX Matte Finishing Setting Spray. I'm gonna put some mascara. So now I'm gonna take the pink eyeshadow that we used from the BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm gonna put it on my under eye. Put some mascara on my bottom lashes, and I think that's gonna be it, y'all. it for my tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this makeup look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.